Yes. Everybody, please switch on the videos. Yes, very good. Very good, Dulanjana Puta. Good. Good, Naomi. Right. Kome Ehan Dakshina. Where is he? Ehan, how are you? Dulanjana, why are you rotating? මම දැක්ක එකපාරට දුලංජන මෙහෙම හිටියා. මෙහෙම වටේ කරගෙනවා. එපාර නවමිත් කරගෙනවා. Yes. Naomi, what happened today? What happened today? Aya has already put a message to me. He has already given a call also. So, but I have then I put a reply message to do the thing. My reply message එකක් දැම්මා. මොකද්ද කරන්න ඕන කියලා. මොකද දන්නේ උනේ. Right. Janidu, where's Akash today? He was there earlier. Akash was there earlier. Jehan, now is it okay with your? Is it okay? Your signal matter? It's okay now. No, sir. Okay. Signal is unstable. Right. Anyway, we'll try to manage anyhow. What about Matisha? Matisha මොකද වෙලා තියෙන්නේ? Sometimes he also had a problem with signals. Okay, we'll see. He might come. අපි තව ටිකක් බලමු. But we have to start the lesson today. We'll start the lesson. මොකද පුතා?
මතේෂට සර් WhatsApp එක කරන්නේ නැතිව ආයෙත් මගේ link එක යවුවා දැන් ඒ.
හරි පුතේ හරි. Right. Okay. මතේෂටත් වෙන වැඩ හොඳේ. Right. නෑ ඔය වෙලා තින්නේ ෆෝන් එකේම ඉන්නේ. ඉඳලා මේ මොනවා හරි කළා වැඩේ දෙනවා ෆෝන් එකට. ඒක තමයි වෙන්නේ. ඔය ආවේ? අල්ලගන්න. Yes, good evening, Matisha. සද්දයක් නැහැ. Right, okay. We'll discuss. What did we discuss on last week? මොනවද අපි ගිය සතියේ discuss කරේ? What did we discuss on last?
Electron signals.
Yes, electronic signals. So, what can you say about the electronic signals? What can you all say about the electronic signals? හොඳ ප්‍රශ්නයක්. මොනවද මේ electronic signals ගැන කියන්න පුළුවන්? Yes, Jehan raised the hand. What about others? Matisha, are you enjoying there? But today's very important day. I told you all. Other ගොඩක්ම important දවසක්. අපි අද we are going to discuss that how to measure the processor speed. It's really important thing. processor speed එක measure කරන්නේ කොහොමද කියලා අපි අද කතා කරනවා. ඒක හරියම important එකක්. හරියම important දෙයක්. මොකද ඔයාලා දැනගත යුතුම දෙයක්. ඔය ටික හොඳට දැනගත්තාම ඔයාලගේ මේ ඉස්සරහා පාඩම් ටික හරිය ලේසි කරන්න. Right. Okay. But I can see only one hand is raising regarding my question. What about others? මං ආසයි අපේ අනිත් දරුවොත් පොඩ්ඩක් අත උස්සලා මට උත්තරයක් දෙකක් දෙනවා නම් මේකට. පොඩි explanation එකක් දෙනවා. Jan has already raised a hand. Yes. Senuk also joined to the class now. Naomi? Any idea about my question? Janidu? Harit Puta? බලන්න අද කොහොම හරි try එකක් දාලා මතක විදියට පුළුවන් විදියට උත්තර අපි note එක ලිව්වනේ. We have already written a note on that day. So therefore I think it should be easy for you. Yes, good evening Senuka Puta.
Good evening, sir.
How are you?
I'm fine, sir.
Yes,
Thank you.
Very good. Okay. So Senuka, before you are logging in, I asked a question from them. Actually, I like to give that question to you also. Pute, last day we did discuss about the electronic signals, how it works, how these electronic signals originated, and how these signals are going among flowing among the electronic devices. We did discuss. So can you give me a little explanation regarding that? Now Rehan is ready to give the explanation. Yes, very good. What about others? මං අපේ අනිත් දරුවන්ගෙනුත් අහනවා. මේක මතකය කවුද කියලා. නැතු අපි මේක බොරුවට නිකන් කතා කරලා ඉවරලා දවස් දෙකක් කතා කරා මේක අපි. කතා කරලා අපි බොරුවට ලියලා වැඩක්.
Can you repeat the question?
පුතේ?
Can you repeat the question?
Yes. Tell me that how these electronic signals are flowing among the electronic devices, and how these electronic devices are carrying the data. What is the which type of signals belongs to this electronic signals? මොන වගේ signals මේ electronic signals කියලා කියන්නේ? That's the question. Who can give me an answer? Yes, Jehan. I would like to my question was I need you to explain about last day lesson regarding the electronic signals and how these electronic signals are flowing among the electronic components. And what is the situation of these electronic signals? How it's happening like that? In your descriptions, those things to be included. Right. I'm going to give this first chance to Jehan. Yes, Jehan Pute.
Okay, sir.
Yes, you can give the answer. Very good.
Electron devices.
Yes.
Electron devices are going through the wires or any parts like keyboard and mouse input devices. In this electron signals, they are going like originating and losing. Loose. This originate and lose is computer's language. When convert into human language, they are represented as originate as 1, loosen as 0. Computers language is 0 and 1. Therefore, it calls as binary numbers. Finish.
Also, there's another name for that.
Machine language.
Yes. Very good, Jehan. Very good, Jehan and Senuka. Good. Very good. Actually, anyhow, Jehan is giving his explanation anyhow every day. Really good. What about others? Who can give another explanation? කාටද තව explanation එකක් දෙන්න පුළුවන් මේක? Who can give another explanation? දුලංජන පුතා? සෙනක පුතා? Naomi? Go. Yes, Naomi is in the very good. Very good. Yes, Naomi. Go ahead with your answer.
Electronic signals are passing through the wires. It is common method. The signals are going via pattern. Originating and losing. When originate, we call 1. Then the losing we can say as 0. In mathematics, we call that method as binary pattern. And we can it is using binary language, and we can also call it pattern as language as machine language. Finish.
Yes. Okay, very good. Very good. What about දුලංජන පුතා? පුතේ උත්තරේ දෙමුද බලන්න පොඩ්ඩක් මතක විදියට කියමුද අපි? පුතේ? තාම ලැජ්ජයි. ඔහොම බෑ ටිකක් කතා කරන්න ඕන. Can't be like that. You have to talk a little more. Survive with your friends. Go. දෙන්න බලන්න ලස්සන උත්තරයක්. Naomi given an answer. Then Jehan given an answer. දුලංජන පුතා. Yes, Senuka. What about you? මතක නැද්ද වැඩේ?
Sir, I remember.
Ah.
But could you give me some time?
Yeah, sure. I'll give.
I'm still preparing my answer. That's fine.
Okay. No problem. No problem. I'll give you. Ko Matisha Lakendra. Akash Sandil. Ko answers. Anyhow, others are giving answers. Especially Yahan, Naomi, and Senuko also. I know. He will. He can. So I can't ask Matisha to say it because actually he doesn't have a proper concentrate today. He has already gone to enjoy this lockdown release. Matisha illa පොඩ්ඩක් මේ lockdown release එක enjoy කරන්න. So at that time he will not be able to answer the questions properly. Anyway, ආකාශ් කෝ මොනවද එදා කරේ මතක නැද්ද? Right, then Akash, I'll give you a chance. You better read the thing what we done on that day. කියවන්න බලන්න එදා අපි කරපු දේවල් ටික. With the topic. Read it. If not, Janidu, read it.
Sir, shall I?
Measure the speed of the processor.
Wait. Janidu, wait. Yes, Senuka, are you ready to give the answer? Senuka, are you ready to give the answer?
Sir, could you repeat the question only one time?
Right. I wanted to know that how these electronic signals are flowing among the electronic components. අපි කතා කරා ඒක.
Okay, sir.
Right. Now, until Senuka's preparing, Janidu, go ahead that with the thing that I requested. Yes, Janidu, you can.
Computer is an electronic machine.
What is the topic? මං කිව්වේ ලියපු ටික කියවන්න කියලා ලස්සන.
Measure the speed of the processor. Before measure the speed of the processor, we need to realize that how this entire execution tasks are happening inside the system unit and the processor. It means about the way that transfers data inside it. For that, we need to have a idea regarding the method we transfer data within an electronic device, because a computer system also an electronic machine device.
So come on.
The method that transferring data within electronic device. Electronic devices are transferring data by the electronic signal through the wires and during period these electronic signals are passing through the wires. They are originating and losing. It is common method. The way the entire signals are originating and losing similar to the below mentioned pattern. As per the above picture, the specialty of the electronic signal is anybody can properly realize the situation that the signal is originate and loosen, as well as each and every electronic device should understand the entire signal pattern. For that purpose, each device has choosing a method. It is assigning a value for these two situation. As per the picture, when the time that signal is originate, assigning a value as zeros. This assigning pattern is common for each and every electronic device. Is ones and zeros. In mathematically, we are
Go. Finished?
yes, sir.
Okay. Right. Senuka?
Sir, ඒ ටික මගේ පොතේ නෑනේ.
Huh?
ඒ ටික මගේ පොතේ නෑනේ.
මොනවද නැත්තේ?
සර් ජනිතු දැන් කියපු ටික
ඒ ටික නෑ. Do others has those things?
It's ඒ ටික මටත්
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Naomi, do I have those things?
Yes, sir.
Dulanjana පුතා?
yes sir.
එතකොට මොකද මේ දෙන්නට උනේ? සෙනුකට මොකද? Did you leave earlier? Senuka? On that day did you
Yes,
leave?
sir.
Huh?
yes sir I leave at 8
Right. Okay. Ane, please, if can somebody please share the note to Senuka? කාටද Senuka note එක share කරන්න පුළුවන්? Naomi, you can? Can or not?
Can, sir.
Right. Put it to the group. Okay. Then he can catch it up. Senuka, Pute, Naomi will put the note to you today, right? Naomi වාට note
Okay.
එක share කරයි. On those days, Anuk is sharing the notes, no? Today he is not in this class. Doesn't matter. You can share the notes with them. All our friends of yours. Huh? If Naomi or Yehan or Idulanjana or anybody can share the note. Huh? Now I ask to share that note to Naomi. She will do it. Right. දුරංජන පුතා මේ ගැන පොඩ්ඩක් කියමුද බලන්න මේ කතාව චුට්ටක් මතක විදියට. අපුතේ shall we? තාම නැද්ද අයිඩියා එකක්. හරි කමක් නැහැ. අපි බලමු තව පොඩ්ඩක් ඉස්සරහට. කොහොම බෑ පොඩ්ඩ එන්න ඕන මේක කඩාගෙන ඉස්සරහට. නැතුව හරියන්නේ නැහැ බලන්න දැන් යහන් කොච්චර හොඳ තැනක ඉන්නවද කියලා. යහන් මුලදී ඔහම නැහැ but now he is in top level. right. කො ආකාශ් මොකද වෙන්නේ? Okay, then we'll jump up to the next part. Last day we have learned that how these electronic devices are transferring signals among the electronic devices or components. So on that day we learned more about it. By that we learned about the language of the electronic devices. On that day we learned about the language of the electronic devices. It calls machine language. Thereafter we did learn that how this name has originated. මේ නම ඔරිජිනේට් වෙලා තින්නේ කොහොමද කියලාත් අපි එදා දැනගත්තා. නෝට්ස් කියවන්න වෙනවා. You all have to read the notes. Now give me a second. I'll come quickly. Give me a second. Yes. Okay. We'll see. ඔයගොල්ලෝ අනිත් පැත්තට දාගමු අපිනේ කොටේ. I'll put you all to the next side. I'll put myself also there. Wait. Now tell me, can you all remember this? Can you all remember this session? Can you all remember this session?
Yes.
That we done on last day? Electronic devices are transferring data by the electronic signals. Electronic devices are transferring data by the electronic signals through the wires and paths. When these signals are passing through the wires, they are originating and losing. It is a common method. When these signals are originating and losing, it's like a below mentioned pattern here. This is the pattern. This is the pattern, right? The speciality of the electronic signal is we can properly realize the situation that the signal is originated or loosened. Each and every electronic device should understand the entire signal pattern. For that purpose, each device has chosen a method. It is assigning a value for these two situations as per the picture. When the time that signal is originated, assigning a value as 1. When the time that signal is loosened, assigning a value as 0. This assigning pattern is common for each and every electronic device. What is this pattern? Zeros and ones. In mathematically, we are calling these zeros and ones as binaries. Therefore, we can say electronic devices are transmitting signals by the binary pattern. Transferring signals by the binary pattern, right? Therefore, we can say the language of the electronic device is binary language. Because of that, electronic devices are using binary language. This binary language is using to communicate between electronic machines. This language is this binary language is communicate between electronic components or electronic machines. Therefore, we are calling this binary language as machine language. Also, we are calling this signal pattern as digital signals. Also, we are calling this signal pattern as digital signals. So how are we? How these electronic components are transmitting signals? How these electronic components are transmitting signals among the components? By digital signals, or binary pattern, or by the machine language. Both are same, right? So what is the speciality of this electronic signal? What is the speciality of this electronic signal? මොකද්ද මේ electronic signal එකේ තියෙන විශේෂත්වය? මොකද්ද මේ electronic signal එකේ තියෙන විශේෂත්වය?